Hello, Janice here. Let's move on to the next session, finding video stock footages. Hello everyone. For now, we will continue the session as we search for video footage to complete our movie. So to create or find video footage, we need videos that we can obtain from several websites. There are several recommended websites that we usually use. The first one is Shutterstock.com. You can see it like this. Its advantage is that it is very easy to search. So if we are looking for Asian people in beach, you can see that it is very specific, and the quality looks very good. If we hover over it, we can see the preview like this. The only downside of Shutterstock is that it's quite expensive. So you can see the price is around $30 per month for 10 stock videos. So it's like one stock video costs $30 divided by 10. As you can see, it's quite expensive. But you can get the best quality. The second one is Storyblocks. For video, Storyblocks is much cheaper. You can see the price is around $15 USD only. To get 5 footage and 30 USD, you can take whatever you want. Unlimited. Yes. So you can take as many stock videos as you need. Usually we use the cheapest one for $15 because usually the stock videos we have are enough. And we don't use them too often. Here there's also Motion Array. Here there are some good choices too. Because if we look at the pricing, it's quite cheap. If you choose this, you can get unlimited downloads. And if we look at the videos, they are quite good. Let's try searching with the same keywords. As you can see, there are several example videos. But if we look at the quality, Shutterstock is still better. As you can see. Let's search for Storyblocks in the search area. Asian People Beach. As you can see, there are some example videos as well. As you can see, the quality is not as good as Shutterstock. But if we search carefully, we can find something better among some of them. The rest, we don't recommend because it's quite difficult. And indeed, for these stock videos, we have to pay. So we have to invest some money to buy these stock videos. Because we will have a hard time finding them on YouTube. If we search on YouTube, usually the quality is not good, and we waste too much time searching. So you can search from these 3 websites: Shutterstock, Storyblocks, Motion Array. Okay, now let's try to find videos from Storyblocks. Okay, now we want to find the videos we will use. The first one is Coconut Tree. As you can see, there are quite a lot of good coconut tree videos here. You can do the download by login first. Now to download the video, you need to log in first. Here you log in. Let's search for coconut tree. As you can see, you can get some previews. And as we can see, I'm using the cheapest version that I downloaded earlier. We have 4 stock downloads remaining. So to download, for example, this one. Or let's try this one. Yes, this one is fine. Now to download, you simply click here after logging in. Then click here HD. Usually we don't need to use the 4K version as it would be too heavy. HD is good enough. Now you just download it. As you can see, we have 3 downloads remaining. Then we just download it. That's how it is, guys. Let's try downloading it. And the result is already very good, as we don't get any watermarks. Let's try playing it. This is the result of the video we downloaded. The quality is quite clear for the video. Now, if you download without using the paid version, there will be a watermark. As you can see, oh, there's a preview here. Let's check it. Here's the download preview. Let's try it. Let's try downloading it. Now, the downside of the preview version is that it has a watermark. So if you're using it for commercial projects, you can't use it because it has a watermark. But for preview purposes, like confirming with a client, you can use the preview version. Later, after confirmation, you can buy it. That's how it works. Now to add this stock video to DaVinci Resolve, we will continue from the material we created earlier. So for the footage area, we plan to place it here and here, like that. Now, let's add the video. I will give you the video. So here you can see that there are 2 videos that I've already downloaded and tried. Later, I will provide them. Now, let's add the video. Adding the video is very easy, just like adding your rendered video. You simply add your stock video here. Now we just need to delete the parts that we've marked. Press backspace. Now we place it like this. And here we also put it like this, for the transition to the evening. So it's like this if we mix it. Now for this video, I will use it in the beginning. So this stock video is quite helpful in making your scenes look more realistic. Because people will be confused whether it's 3D or footage. So people will be confused whether it's 3D or footage. Now, after shooting the footage here, we move to the 3D scene. This will create the impression that the rendered scene looks very realistic to the audience, like this. So for the video itself, we've successfully added the stock footage. Okay, I hope it's clear now how to use video footage and find it. Next, we'll move on to the next session. Thank you. Next, basic color grading.